Okay. So I will be teaching cover fire, a survey of blackouts, and cover fire refers to the word curfew, which actually the root is believed to come from the phrase cover fire, which was this practice in medieval times of having everyone cover their fire at the same time in order to put the entire village into a blackout, in order to ensure security as well as, just, I guess, ensure order in the village at the time. So what we'll do is begin with that part of history, begin with the kind of looking at what it was like to experience night before artificial light, when you were completely at the will of night, you were completely at the will of the moon and the sun. And we'll move from there into the power grid. We'll read about the power grid and we'll look at exactly like what are the systems that we're at the will of today. And then we'll think about the blackout as kind of like a metaphor or a concept, and think of it as like a metaphor for power and access and censorship. And we'll then end with death, which I like to call the ultimate blackout. And so I like to have the class like mold and shape to what people bring to it. I taught it once and that's what happened. It was really great. So hoping this next time around that will happen. And we took a couple of field trips. We went on a night hike, which was really great. It was actually during a full moon, which is often when people used to travel, because it's common sense you would travel during a full moon because it was incredibly bright. And that was fantastic. And we also went to the Exploratorium and went through the Tactile Dome, which was also really great. So anyway, if you're interested, cover fire, survey blackouts. Should be fun.